Hello viewers, this is Aravindar. Annai Arul channel welcomes you. How are you? In this video we have to see World Environment Day, June 5. For more information, we shall move to the inside the video. I kindly request to all the viewers to watch this small video in full. Now we shall move to inside the video. World Environment Day 2021 History, Significance and a Theme. World Environment Day is one of the biggest annual events organized by the United Nations UN to generate awareness about the significance of nature. World Environment Day is observed on June 5th every year to remind people about the importance of nature. The day is celebrated across the world to inform people that nature should not be taken for granted and must be respected for its values. It is important to note that the World Health Organization, WHO, has joined UN Decade on Ecosystem Restoration, a mission to prevent, reverse the degradation of ecosystems and the diversity of the life they sustain. WHO will work as a collaborating agency along with the United Nations Environment Programme UNEP, the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations FAO, among other partners. History of the World Environment Day. The United Nations Assembly established World Environment Day in 1972, which was the first day of the Stockholm Conference on the Human Environment. In 1974, the theme of World Environment Day was Only One Earth. Since then, various host countries have been celebrating it. World Environment Day was first observed in 1974 in the United States. The theme of the World Environment Day for 2021. The theme of this year's World Environment Day is Reimagine, Recreate, Restore, as this year marks the beginning of the United Nations Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. Pakistan is the global host for the day to highlight the importance of ecosystem restoration this year. Significance of the World Environment Day. The concept behind observing World Environment Day is to focus on the importance of the environment and to remind people that nature should not be taken for granted. This day observing across the world to respect and acknowledge everything that the environment has given mankind and to take the pledge that to protect it. Hello viewers, from this video you know World Environment Day 2021 History, Significance and Theme. If you are liking this video, means kindly press the like button as well as share to your friends and relatives. I kindly request to all the viewers to subscribe this Aravindar Annai Arul channel. Thank you for watching this video in full. Once again, thank you very much.